So we're going to get a little more difficult with our inequality problems, and we're going to solve an inequality problem that uses the distributive property. So shouldn't be a big deal for us. We've done lots of problems with the distributive property. So I like to rewrite my problem because I write real big. And so I don't want to try to write on top of the problem. So the distributive property here involves the 4. We've got the 4 outside the parentheses. So we're going to do 4 multiplied by 3t. That's going to give us 12t. And then we've got to do 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20. And we've got the minus sign in between them. I'm not going to do anything else yet. I'm going to do just the distributive property in the first step, just like that. So next is going to be combining like terms. And I've really only got 2 like terms I can combine in this step, and those are the negative 20 and the positive 7. That's going to give me negative 13. So really only 2 things to combine. That's okay. And then at this point, I'm ready to try to get the variable on one side and the constants on the other. So let's go ahead and we will subtract 8t on both sides so that we can get our variable on the left side. We could get our variable on the right side if we were the, I guess, dumbest people on earth. We could subtract 12t on both sides. That'd be the dumbest possible way to solve this problem because we'd have the variable on the right side and it would be a negative. So that'd be the worst possible way to solve this. But that's how you want to solve it. Don't let me stand in the way of your dreams. If you're thinking to yourself, I really want to solve this problem, but it's not hard enough. I want to make it harder. Then by all means, subtract 12 on both sides instead of subtracting 8. So after adding 13 on both sides, using the addition property, we end up with 4t greater than or equal to 16. So we'll now divide by 4, and that's going to give us our isolated variable. Since we're dividing by a positive, we do not need to flip the inequality symbol. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So we end up with t is greater than or equal to 4. Let's go ahead and put our answer on the number line. Since 4 was the number we got with our inequality, we're going to put 4 in the middle of the number line. Go ahead and go up and down a couple. So this time we're going to do a solid dot on 4 because it does have that equal to. It's greater than or equal to instead of just greater than. So solid dot. And greater than means all the numbers that are larger than 4. So 4, 5, 6. And so there we go. There's our answer on a number line. 4, 5, 6, etc. 4 and up is our answer.